Okay, so welcome to my video. Okay, Williams here. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, the bell icon. Okay, please like this video. Thanks for your support. Okay, in our today's video, I just want to show you to teach you the basics of how to reverse, how you can reverse. Okay, I'll put the gear in reverse gear today. Okay, so I'll be showing you. I will be going backwards. Okay, I'll be going backwards. Let me just show you the view of the road. Okay, I'm in one of the remote areas, okay, within Karumbira district. Okay, so let me just Karumbira district of Zambia. So let me just engage. Okay, so the reverse in this vehicle, this is a 6-speed manual. Okay, so how to engage into reverse? You just go on the clutch. Okay, you go on the clutch. Then this one has 2 levels on how to engage into the reverse. So it is 1. Okay, there's a hard surface there. There are 2 hard surfaces. There's 1 and then 2. Okay, so 1, then you push it further. Okay, it's 1 then 2. Okay, let me just set it there so that I can show you. I don't know if it will show, but it's 1, 2. Okay, there. Okay, so it's 1 then 2 then forward. So that's a reverse. Okay, that's a reverse. But this place where I am right now, it's steep, so the reverse is not required. So I'll just put it in neutral. If I let go of the brake and if I let go of the clutch, the vehicle will already start moving backwards. Then I'll just be braking a bit. Okay, because it's nearby where I'm going. Okay, so how you reverse? We want to be going straight backwards. We don't want to be going zigzag. Okay, we want to be going straight. Okay, so how you reverse? Mostly you'll be using one mirror. Okay, we'll be using one side mirror. Okay, there are 2 mirrors here. 1, okay, there are 3, 2 and then 3, that one. Okay, so for you to reverse in a straight line or in a lane, if you are reversing in a tarmac in one side of the lane, you have to use one mirror. Okay, you have to use one mirror. So for example, in my case, I'll be using this mirror because this road is not marked. If you look at this road, okay, so I'll use this mark this side because there's a mark here. Okay, there's a mark here. Okay, let me show you. There's a mark, this line here, that is a line already. Okay, that is a line, so I'll use that as a line. Okay, so I'll concentrate on that line. As long as this side I maintain the same distance that I have maintained here, it means this side I want to go out. Okay, I can't bash anything this side because I've already seen it's clear. Okay, I'll be checking this side, just check and then go back to my mirror. This will be my main mirror as I'll be going backwards. Okay, so even this one here, this one is just to show me how I'm moving, but mainly I'll use these 2. This one I'll just be checking to see if I'm in the right track, but this one is the one that will guide me because I want to use this grass here, the difference, this line here, the difference between the grass and the road, I want to use that as my guiding point. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so I'll just let go of the brake. The vehicle will start moving. Okay, the vehicle will be moving. Okay, so I'll be using at the side mirror because already I have a camera here and then a side mirror. So I'll be looking at the side mirror because if I follow the camera, there's nothing that I can do because I'll be disturbed. Okay, so but I'll be talking. Okay, so you can see what I was talking about. Okay, so you can see what I was talking about. I'm using that as a guide. Okay, so that I can go straight backwards. Okay, I'm using that other mirror, but I'm not paying so much attention to it because I know this side, as long as I'm maintaining this line, that side there's nothing I'm afraid of. Okay, So I'm just checking that other mirror once in a while. I check once in a while. I check. Okay. Okay, so I've reached my destination. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. I just wanted to show you how to reverse. Okay, what the basics on how you can reverse, how you can be a very good you can be very good at reversing. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. So basically you just have to use one mirror. Okay, you can use both mirrors, but one to guide you, then the other one is just to check how you're moving. If you're about to hit something, you just check out if that side is clear. Okay, but basically you just have to use one. So like in my case, the most easy one to use is this one on my right, according to my situation here. But if you're in a tarmac, like for example here in Zambia, we are right-handed. Okay, our tarmacs are right-handed, meaning I have to move on the right. Okay, on the right side of I move on the left. Okay, then the driver is seated on the right side of the road. Okay, so meaning mostly the most ideal mirror to use is this one here. Because that's where there will be a line there. That's where there will be the end of the tarmac. This side, me, I'll be at the end. Okay, this side will be at the middle. So it's not safe to use this one at the middle, because if anything, you go cross into the other lane. Okay, but if I'm using that one, meaning I'll use the tarmac, the boundary between the tarmac and the bush to demarcate my one. So meaning it's ideal to use this other side of the mirror, but always you are supposed to use one mirror, okay, to guide you. Yeah, so thanks for that. Just what I wanted to show you. Thanks.